Hey guys, it's me Luis. So we have the last one, F150 2019 with lane departure. So it's gonna go fast. The camera will be die in any moment. Remember, you know this part already. Easy. I've been busy all day today. My glasses are very primer and all that. Remember, lose these ones first before you shake and release the clips, okay? There you go. I go fast because this place is gonna close by 8 and it's almost 7, so there's 1 hour, so I think I'm fine. It's really hard to find the right gloves, you know. I like it. I'm just gonna shake a little bit. Right. And as you see here, I will show you the clips are not broken. You see what I'm talking about? I don't like this, guys. Alright. Ooh. And as you see, right, your clips is not enough broke. I mean, you can reuse it again. Okay, just right there. This one is good. In hot areas like Dallas, I mean like Texas, not a big deal. But when it's cold winter, and as you see, it's good. And this one, same. So I can reuse this one with no problem. 8 o'clock now it kicks me out. And I don't like because sometimes they stand up by my side telling me, you ready? Are you done? Are you done? That's why I don't like it. Not broken, okay? So the pin is here and the other one is here, so they are not broken. Okay guys, now let's go inside. Alright guys, take it off and we've they say don't disconnect. Have to clean it up because we cannot clean anything on the camera. Need to buy my new zip blocks like that. Okay guys, this one you can use your zip knife if you want. The line is still not moved, so I don't have to anchor yet. The lines start moving a little bit. All right. Okay, now this time I have to anchor Remember, very important, you're gonna go, there you go, with the gravity stop, or you're gonna snap that line. Alright, let's go to the other side. Just unavoid this bucket. Line is back here. Use your price all the time, okay? You don't want it to fit in again. Okay, and we're finished. So let's gonna pull the glass out, clean it up, and see you in the next shot. Just to put it in, I'm gonna use a quick set because that's what I say. Quick set is a quick set. This one was for a 1747, so that's why I use it, but you can use on this one like this. Alignment the glass. Now, here, because the wheel is too low, what I'm gonna do is go back a little bit more, like this, because I'm gonna raise the wheel, and the second one, the third one, that's gonna make the glass go up. Okay? Remember, you raise the wheel, it's close to the top. You go low to the wheel, there's more space on the top, so. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so see you next shot. I'm just gonna clean. You see, all the interior is fine, everything looks good. So see you next shot, and we finish because these guys, they're leaving now. All right, thank you, guys. See you next shot. Man, my shoulder's hard today. It was a heavy day. This is the second charge I do on the brake. I'm done. Alright. Okay, guys, so we're ready to set this guy, and we go home. Antenna. All right. There you go. And that's all, guys. Okay, I just have to push them down, put the connections, the cow, and we're finished for today. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching this channel. See you tomorrow for more work. All right, thanks so much, guys. See you next.